Welcome to Principles of Microeconomics online class. This is our homepage, and my name is Tamina Morshed, and I'll be your mentor for the next several weeks. Welcome to Principles of Microeconomics online class. This is our homepage. My name is Tamina Morshed, and I'll be your mentor for the next several weeks. This is our homepage. So if you want to check your announcements, click this button. For syllabus, you can click this button. For modules, you can go from here. And finally, if you want to check your grades, you can click on this button. Our semester runs from January 3rd, 2022 to February 10, 2022. This is our office hour. I will be overseas until January 6th. After that, every Tuesdays we'll have our office hours. Other than this time, if you need help any other weeknights or weekends, just send me an email through Canvas inbox. So let's go to our modules. In our module, this is your orientation module. You should start from here, go all across. So by January 8th, you have to do 2 assignments. One is introduction quiz. The other one is participate in meet and greet discussion forum. Once you see all green buttons are checked, only then you can move to the next section where you can access or purchase your ebook from this link. We will use our textbook by Roger Arnold, which is 13th edition, and we will use MindTap to do all our assignments. After you've seen green check button for all of these sections, then only your module 1 will open up. Okay? So make sure you read all the details. My date is incorrect here. I'll fix that. But this is your module 1. So as you go through, you'll see I've added PowerPoint slides for chapter 1 and 2. And then if you click on next and next, you'll see I've added some optional videos. And also I've added some articles and this and that. Once you're done with all this stuff, then you can participate in your discussion forum. And if you want to check your rubric, just come here, drop down, show rubric, and see how you will be graded. Next thing is, once you're done with your discussion forum, you will see that I've added chapter exams and what kind of questions are there, what's the point, how much time you have, when is it due, all these will be very clear. So again, let me go back to the module and you'll see that all modules are set up the same. You go through the PowerPoint slides or you'll go through the ebook. I'll show that to you. And then you go to discussion forum, do all these chapter exams, and then you come and do your Applia assignments. Applia assignments you'll be doing in your Cengage platform. You can click straight from here, or you can click from this link. As it will load, and give it few seconds, let's click on that. Get started. Under get started, you'll see I've added 2 assignments. But if you go to, so always worry about the ones that has orange circle next to it and says counts towards your grade. Once you go to chapter 1, again, I clicked on chapter 1. Under pre-class activities, this is your ebook, access to your ebook. And also there's some videos simply to understand the chapter concepts. If you scroll down under homework, again there's some practice problem sets. This is what you need to worry about, counts towards your grade. And these are your chapter practice questions that are very similar to the chapter problem sets that you will see in your modules. So this is how everything is set up. And in the orientation, I've added a bunch of other stuff. If this is your first online class, or if you want to check your syllabus, important due dates, all of these are located in this section. If there's any questions, always send an email to me. And you as students, you can reach out to each other, and this is your discussion forum. Not graded, you can reach out to each other just like you'll be talking to your peer or a friend. And that's it. If there's any questions, always reach out to me, and thank you. Good luck, and I hope you succeed in this class. Thank you.